Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is another math video, and today we're going to talk about decimal. This was a private request to cover, and I hope that you will find it beneficial. All right, so let's talk about what a decimal is. A decimal is another way to write a fraction, and a fraction, as well as a decimal, is a part of a whole. So let's take, for example, a circle. We divide the circle, okay, that's not a good circle, but you get the picture, okay? We divide a circle into half, and that's 50%. We divided the half into another half, and then we have quarter, right? If we just had a half of a circle, it would be, half of a circle would be 0.5, right? And a quarter of a circle is equal to 0.25. So essentially, we have a numeration system, a decimal system of numeration. So in discussing our decimal system of numeration, let's say we have 272 decimal point 158. We would read this as 272 and 158 thousandths. And what we have to realize is that this, after the decimal point represents and, because this now is a fractional part of the whole number, and the whole number 1, or units, right? Or our ones place, right? So our fractional part, the first number would be tenths. Not sure if you can see that. Perhaps I should write this here. So the decimal is and then that number would be tenths. This here would be hundredths. And then our third number would be thousandths. And, let's see if I can pull it down here. So we would have thousandths. And then if we had another number and so forth, we would keep naming it that way. But whenever we have decimals, we want to line them up in the same way as we would our whole number. For example, if we had 272 by itself, we would want to, and we had another number, let's say we had 10. We want to line our tens under a 10. And if we have our ones, we want to put our ones in our ones place, right? Right? Let's say we had 3. We wouldn't write 3 over here. We would write 3 here. Well, it's the same way with our decimal system, okay? So let's go ahead and add some decimals here. Let's say we have 12.6 and 2.952, okay? Do you see? We would want to make sure that we line it up in the same place. We keep our decimals and we add. Okay, so this, of course, is now the thousandths place. This is the hundredths place. It's going to get down here. And our tenths place, we're now going to add. 9 plus 6 is 15, 5, carry 1, and then 1 plus 2 plus 2, and we have 5 and 1. So that will be 15.552. Okay, let's add another one. Let's say we have 2.72 plus 11.5 plus 4.421. Let's just say that. We're going to add these together. We will line it up, 2.72. Then we have our whole number, 11 before the decimal. Then we have our point, and we have 5 here. Then we also have now 4.421. So again, we want to put our tenths in the same place, the hundreds in the same place, and then the number, our thousands would go off wherever it belongs, right? We line it up just like we would in whole numbers. All right, so let's add. We have 1 here. We add these. We have 4 here. And 7, 5, 12, and 4 is 16. So 6, carry 1. And here, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8, and then 1. So 18.641. That would be our example. So let me go ahead and do another one. Again, if we want to write it, we would have our ones place here, right? And then our tenths here. Not our tens, which would be over on this side, but our tenths place, which is after the decimal. And then our hundredths place, which would be, again, after the tenths place, after the decimal. All right? And let's say we have 7.83, right? And then let's say we have another number, 3.02. And let's have another one, 2.1. We would keep that there, okay? And then we add. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7, 3, 10, and 2 is 12. So here we have 12.95. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and request more. God bless you.